everyone, how are you all? In last class, we dealt about complex tissue xylem and phloem. Xylem. Xylem is a conductive tissue meant for the conduction of water and minerals. What are the different types of xylem? Xylem tracheids, xylem vessels, xylem parenchyma, and fibers. Now, as xylem is a pipeline or it is the tissue in the plant which transports water and minerals from the root towards the stem. So, it is the important pipeline of the plant, right? Now, different types. The first one is tracheids. It has elongated tube-like structure having tapering ends, and it is highly lignified. That means the cell wall has lignin on that, and it is the dead tissue without protoplasm. This is the tracheids. You can see there are three types of tracheids shown. This is long tapering and see tracheids. Now vessels. Vessels are long, cylindrical, tube-like, having lignified walls like that of tracheids. It has a large central cavity and it is also devoid of protoplasm. That means it is dead, right? Now what is the specialty of vessel is it is interconnected through perforations in their common wall. That means when two vessels are there, in between the vessels there are perforations, and vessels are the characteristic feature of angiosperms which you see nowadays of flowering plants. Angiosperm, you have vessels. These are the different types of vessels. See the tapering ends. Now these have different structures. See, this is circular, right? Annular, we can say. This is scalariform. Okay, this is pitted. This is a reticulate. Okay, so these are the different types of vessels which you can see: spiral, annular, scalariform, pitted, and reticulate. Different types of vessels. Now, xylem fibers, they have thickened walls and they can be septate or aseptate. That means a partition can be there or not there, right? Xylem parenchyma, they are living as it is parenchyma. This is the only tissue which is living in xylem. Okay, living, and they are thin walled, right? And their cell wall has cellulose, and this parenchyma, the main function is storing food. So how they store as starch or fats and sometimes other materials like tannins. Okay, now this xylem parenchyma is meant for radial conduction, which is done by ray parenchymatous cells. As we are discussing xylem, we shouldn't forget primary xylem. Primary xylem is of two types. That means initial xylem. It is two types: protoxylem and metaxylem. Now, protoxylem is the first formed xylem, and later it is becoming or later formed is metaxylem. Now, because of the arrangement of these two, we can differentiate stem and root. How? In the case of stem, the arrangement is endark, this inside. What is inside? When protoxylem lies towards the center, that means pith, towards the pith, that is endark condition. Okay, that means when the protoxylem lies towards inside. So this is metaxylem and protoxylem is a smaller one which is inside, in dark condition, and it is seen in stem. Exarch means exit, outside. If the protoxylem is towards peripheral region, it is known as exarch, and which is seen in roots. So protoxylem lies towards periphery, outside. That is the special condition in roots. See, this is a root where you can see protoxylem outside and metaxylem towards inside. Exarch condition. This is seen in root, exarch. This is endar condition. You can see protoxylem lies towards the pith region and metaxylem is towards the peripheral region. So this is endar condition which is seen in the stem. So thank you for watching. Motivate like this. Thank you for the thank you all the subscribers. So like, share and subscribe. Bye.